For topic probability, first you have to understand what is experiments. So experiment is a process that you want to generate your data or outcome. So like your activity that you do it, then you want to analyze what is the chances for getting this result, what's the chances for getting that result. So probability is talking about the chances. So for example, experiment, you can do activity on tossing a coin twice, once, rolling your dice, or taking a driving lesson. So from here you can analyze what's your probability to pass, what's your probability to fail. Then outcome is your result of your experiment. Then event is a set of your outcome of your experiment. So from all the outcome, you take out a set, so that is an event of it. So maksudnya some situation from your experiment events. So sample space is all of your outcome. Like you're tossing a coin, all of your outcome will be maybe head or maybe tail. So sample space. Sample space adalah jumlah outcome yang kamu ada. Semua keadaan yang kamu kena fikir. So tossing of 2 coins, you might get this outcome. So this is your sample space. Maybe you get 2 head, 2 tail, or maybe you mix head tail or tail head after that. Loading a dice, so loading a dice, you will have 6 results. So your sample space is 6 results. So it's a set. So you must put in set notation. Take a driving test, it will be your result, pass or fail, your outcome. So random selection is the selection of your outcome from the sample in which outcome has an equal chance of being selected. Random selection maksudnya kita randomly pick. So it's no bias. Bias means kita tak pilih kasih, randomly pick. So pilih kasih tu macam kita dah bias ke sesuatu benda yang kita nak. We more heavily focus on that, so that will be bias. Okay, so some basic law on probability. So probability value, it will be in between 0 and 1. So when you're doing probability, whether you can put it in fraction or you can put it in decimal, but the result will be 0 and 1. 0 means definitely not happen. When you say probability of some event is 0, means that event is definitely not occur. When you say probability of that event is equal to 1, so means definitely that event will be occur. So 0 and 1. So total of probability will be equals to 1. Okay, total of all outcome is will be equals to 1. Like tossing 2 coins, like tossing your coin twice. So all the probability hit tail, and tail will be total up equals to 1. Then, so when you want to find for probability, this formula, probability of an event will be number of that event over the number of sample space.